Bananas need a warm location with temperature ranging between 15 to 35 degrees Celsius. Plant your banana tree where your garden receives direct bright sunlight whole day. Take out with a clean shovel a small shoot or pup from a healthy mother banana plant from your neighbor's house or buy from your local nursery. Remove any leaves that are more than 3. The banana plant needs a soil pH of 5.5 to 6.5. Acidity higher than pH 7 is not suitable for the banana plant. Dig a hole of 1 foot wide and 1 foot deep. Banana plant needs a free-draining nutrition-rich soil. Make the soil loose by adding some river sand in the soil. Add compost or cow manure in the soil to make it rich in nutrition. Fill the hole with a mixture of soil and compost or cow manure. Also add some river sand if the soil is clay. Plant the banana pup upright and fill it with the soil, covering well all the roots. Add a 3-inch layer of cow manure around the plant. Water well to remove all the air pockets. Water only if top 1-inch soil is dry. Avoid overwatering to avoid root rot, but underwatering can cause the plant to die. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.